Hello everyone, Chris Hell here from Profit Squirrel, coming to you with another Profit Squirrel vlog. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing fantastically well. In this short video, I want to answer the question, what is the difference between a bookmaker and a betting exchange? It's a question that we do hear from people that are new to match betting or new to using bookmakers in general, and it's a simple one to answer. So essentially, a bookmaker is the platform on which you will always place your back bet. And bookmakers are the ones usually that give you the free bet and the offers. For example, someone like William Hill might say bet £10, get a £30 free bet. And because bookmakers offer these free bets, we're able to take advantage of them and do match betting. The free bets and stuff is what makes at least part of match betting possible. There are other ways to make money without using the free bets, but those are a bit more advanced and not something you have to worry about in this video. So the bookmakers are businesses that we sign up to, and they offer odds on sporting events. And odds are basically the chance of something happening. And odds are offered on all sorts of different events. You can see on the left hand side here, there's American football, baseball, bowls, cricket, cycling, golf. All sorts of sports are offered, and if we want to place a bet, what we're doing is we're taking the odds that the bookmaker is giving us and we're placing our money on that event. So we're putting our money with the bookmaker, and the bookmaker is saying that if this event proves true, then we're going to pay you out based on the odds that we give on the event. But all you really need to remember for match betting is that the bookmaker is normally the one that gives you the free bet, and they are the ones that you place the back bet with. The betting exchanges like Betfair, Smarket, Matchbook, and so on, they can look pretty much identical to the bookmakers. And maybe that is a bit confusing for people at first. But essentially the main difference with the betting exchange is that it allows you to become the bookmaker yourself. Instead of placing a bet on odds that a bookmaker is offering, you place bets on odds that are being offered by other people around the world. And because exchanges allow us to be the bookmaker, that is what allows us to place what's called a lay bet, i.e. the bet that something will not prove true. And as you may already know, by placing a back bet with a bookmaker and a lay bet on a betting exchange, those are the two that balance each other out. And when you've placed both of those, you have a match or a matched bet. Sometimes you'll get free bets and bonuses from the exchange as well, but that is not as common as the free bets and bonuses that you're going to be getting on a much more regular basis from the bookmaker themselves. I'd say there's not as many exchanges out there as there are bookmakers, but I would say if you're interested in learning about the different advantages and disadvantages of the different exchanges that are out there, then take a look below this video where I've linked you to an earlier video I did explaining the pluses and minuses of each of the different exchanges. One final thing to note is that when we play the role of the bookmaker, when we place a lay bet at a betting exchange, what we are doing is we are taking on something called liability. And just like we would lose our back stake with the bookmaker if we weren't correct, if we bet that Man United were going to win and they didn't win, we would lose that. If we take the role of the bookmaker at the betting exchange and we're not correct, then we're going to lose something which is called liability. And if you want to learn more about liability, then go ahead and check out the description below this video where I've linked to a blog article that we have on the Profit Squirrel website which explains it in its entirety. Of course, when you're match betting, you're setting things up in a way where no matter what the outcome is, you know the profit that you're going to make, but it's worth understanding both how the bookmaker and exchanges work, because that will make you more confident when you're match betting, and it will help you understand what's going on and exactly where your profits are coming from. I hope that's been a helpful video for you. It's a common question that comes up when people are just getting into this. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit that like button, and of course drop us a comment below. Let me know how you're getting on with your match betting. Are you finding it easy? Are you enjoying it? Are you making yourself some profits? Make sure you hit that subscribe button to get the latest in match betting from Profit Squirrel to ensure you never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all again very, very soon in another Profit Squirrel YouTube video.